Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about Atos Syntel interview questions, and this is off campus, and it is a business interview questions. It is a TA technical round and HR round. And his interview started with tell me about yourself, your hometown locations, about family, about Atos Syntel, and questions asked on resume. What is Python path? And what is self and init in Python, what is scope in Python, what is pep8 in Python. And basically they will ask question from the resume only, what you mentioned in your resume they will ask the question from there only. And then they ask what is pep8 in Python, C language core concept, basics of dbms, database management system, then why non-IT to IT. So this is candidate from non-IT streams like civil and mechanicals, and he want to go into IT. Then they will ask questions why, and all those things. Hope it will help out one of you who are interviewing at our Sentinels. So this is the interview experience of Atos Sentinel. That is a technical round and HR round questions. Basically, in technical round, they will ask the question from their resume only, and what you mention in your resume, what you know, you have to mention that things in resume, and they will ask question from there only. And in HR, they will ask tell about yourself. They basically want to know about yourself and about your family locations, all these things they will wants to know. So this is the interview questions from Atos Syntel. And another interview question is from Prolifix company, and this is technical round questions. Then the first question is, what is the difference between JDK and JRE? So these are the Java questions. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? Then what is multi-threading and its life cycle? Then write a code on infinite loop. What is meant by main method? What is difference between procedure and function? What is assignment operator? And then they will questions from SQL, what is a database, and what are types of commands, difference between SQL and PLSQL, what is the trigger. Write a query on 1000 employees, first name, last name, date of joining. So these are the questions from SQL, basics SQL, and technical round questions. These are all from Prolifix company. And the next interview is questions is of Mindtree. And in the Mindtree question, Mindtree company, and they will ask a question from strategy with your introductions. Then what language you know? So he said he knows C and Python, so they will ask questions from Python and C language. Then the what is Python, what is pipeline 8, and what is namespace, what is decorator, what is generator, sleeking, what is namespace, reverse a string asked to explain logic, difference between list and tuple, data types in Python, scope, pass, init, array, Unicode. In SQL, they will ask a question from joins. What is joins? What is subquery? Basic syntax of where clause. So these are all the mandatory interview, technical interview questions. And in HR interview and MR managerial round is also there. Sometime it will not be there. Basically, most of the company will conduct technical and HR round. Some company will also conduct technical, HR and MR round. So in HR round they will ask about your self, your allocations, night shifts, what you know about company. So all these questions are basic questions. These are HR round questions. So thank you guys. Hope this video is useful for your upcoming interview. Please subscribe my YouTube.